Hi students, today we will start chapter chemical bonding of class 10th. So what do we mean by chemical bond? As the name of the chapter is chemical bonding, so what do we mean by chemical bond? Bond, if we talk about in a simple language, bond means force, right? So this force, if we say bond is a force, so this means it's a chemical force, right? So force has to act somewhere, राइट कहीं तो वो फोर्स लग रही होगी, राइट. सो ये फोर्स कहाँ पर काम कर रही है, किसके बीच में काम कर रही है? ये फोर्स एटम्स के बीच में लग रही है, एटम्स के बीच में. इट एक्ट्स, दिस फोर्स, केमिकल फोर्स एक्ट्स बिटवीन एटम्स, राइट. हाउ, लाइक वी हैव हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल. इफ वी टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल, राइट, it is formed from two hydrogen atoms. Right, so there is a force that is acting between these two hydrogen atoms. This force that unites these two hydrogen atoms, जो इन्हें जोड़े रखती है, जो force दो hydrogen atoms को to form hydrogen molecule, उस force को हम बोलते हैं chemical force. By definition, chemical bond is a force that is acting between two atoms or two or more atoms. Now, अब हमारे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आता है. We have a question that gets raised in our mind, like why these two hydrogen atoms combine to form hydrogen molecule? Why it can't exist just as H? Why it exists normally as H2, right? So the question is, why do atoms combine to form molecules? What could be the reason? If we go a little back in previous class, in class 9th, you might have studied about electronic configuration, how to distribute electrons in various orbits, right? Like sodium, its atomic number is 11, right? So हम उसके electronic configuration कैसे लिखेंगे? We'll write it as 281 और 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इसके outermost shell में है. वैलेंस शेल भी बोलते हैं हम इसको, outermost orbit को हम वैलेंस शेल भी बोलते हैं, और जो उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं आउटर मोस्ट शेल में, हम उसको बोलते हैं वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, राइट. these are some terms that we have already learned in class 9th. So why do atoms combine to form molecules? If we talk about electronic configuration, or if we talk about atoms, all atoms will try to attain 2 or 8 electrons in their outermost orbit, in their valence shell. Outermost orbit is called valence shell. So all atoms will try to attain 2 or 8 electrons in its outermost shell. We also call it like all atoms will try to attain stable nearest noble gas configuration, noble gas or inert gas configuration, so as to attain stability, right? So why do atoms combine to form molecule? Atoms will, the answer to this question is, and we'll learn more about it, atoms combine to form molecules. Atoms combine to form molecules to attain stable electronic configuration, right? Like in this example, or say take any other example. Take the example of a simple molecule, sodium chloride. इसमें हम देखते हैं कि सोडियम आयन है प्लस क्लोराइड आयन है, ठीक है. अब ये सोडियम और क्लोराइड, ये दो एटम्स हैं विच कंबाइन टू फॉर्म वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. सो व्हाई दिस सोडियम आयन कंबाइन विद क्लोरीन एटम टू फॉर्म सोडियम क्लोराइड, राइट? द आंसर टू दिस इज टू अटेन स्टेबल electronic configuration, to acquire 2 or 8 electrons in their outermost shell. सोडियम भी अपनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन करने की कोशिश करेगा, क्लोरीन भी अपनी आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स करने की कोशिश करेगा. सो दैट इज द रीजन टू एक्वायर 8 electron in their outermost orbit, sodium atom and chlorine atom combine to form sodium chloride, right? So answer to the question, why do atoms combine to form molecules? Again I'll repeat, to attain stable electronic configuration to attain stable nearest noble gas configuration. Now we'll just revise little about inert gases, noble gases from our previous class. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are noble gases, right? So except helium, which has 2 electrons, a doublet in its outermost shell, all the noble gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. 8 electron means a state of octet. So there was a question in class 9th, how is helium different from other noble gases? So the answer is the helium has 2 electron in its outermost shell, while all other inert gases have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. So every atom will try to attain either 2 electron like helium or 8 electron like rest of the noble gases in their outermost shell, and to achieve 8 or 2 electrons in their outermost shell, atoms combine with one another or different elements, I mean atoms of same element will combine with one another, or atoms of different elements will combine with one another to form molecules. Right, now it's I think it's clear to you. Now अब हम केमिकल बॉन्डिंग पे आते हैं, राइट. सो हमने बात करी कि एटम्स विल कंबाइन with one another to achieve stable noble gas configuration, that is to achieve 2 or 8 electrons in outermost orbit. Now there are 3 ways that atoms can combine with one another to achieve noble gas configuration. The first is they transfer electrons from one atom to another, right. Second is share electrons, right, between 2 or more atoms, right. Third thing is third way atoms can achieve stable gas configuration, stable inert gas configuration is when 2 atoms combine to form molecule, only one of the atom will give the shared pair of electron. We'll understand this in future video in more detail. इसको हम बोलते हैं one of the combining atom will contribute shared pair of electron. First way, transfer of electrons from one atom to another. This will result into one kind of bond. Okay, in our syllabus we have to understand 3 kinds of bonds: electrovalent bond, which is also called an ionic bond, second is covalent bond, and the third is coordinate bond. We also call it as dative bond, right. Now transfer of electrons from one atom to another, it will form electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. Sharing of electrons, share electrons between 2 or more atoms. Now bond that is formed between 2 atoms after sharing of electrons, by sharing of electrons between atoms, is known as covalent bond. Third one is one of the combining atoms will contribute shared pair of electrons. We call this as coordinate, or we also call it as dative bond, right. And why do all these things happen? Transfer, sharing, and this coordinate dative bond, why all these things had to happen? To attain to acquire 2 or 8 electrons in valence shell, right? 2 electron we call it as duplet, to this we call it as octet. Duplet is nearest helium gas configuration, nearest gas is helium, the one that has 2 electrons is helium, so helium like electronic configuration, or this is for rest of the noble gases. All rest of the noble gases are 8 electrons in their outermost orbit. So to acquire 2 or 8 electrons in the valence shell, atoms will combine to form molecules, right? We'll understand a little more about this, why do atoms combine to form molecules, so that it will be easy to understand future videos in which we will deal in more detail on electrovalent, covalent, and dative bonding. Like, if you remember the preparation, if you can recall the preparation of any gas, say hydrogen, oxygen, from your previous classes, right? We write hydrogen molecule as H2 and oxygen we write it as O2, right? But when the gas, when we do lab preparation of hydrogen or oxygen, initially the gas is produced as hydrogen or oxygen, right? And further, this 2 hydrogen atoms will combine to form hydrogen molecule, right? Similarly, oxygen will combine with another oxygen atom to form oxygen molecule. अब ये क्यों ऐसे कंबाइन हो रही है? हाइड्रोजन सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन क्यों नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है, या ऑक्सीजन सिर्फ ऑक्सीजन क्यों नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है? क्योंकि इसके पास स्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं है इसकी आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में. दैट इज, इसकी हाइड्रोजन की या ऑक्सीजन की आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में 2 या 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं है. तो अपनी आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में, वैलेंस शेल में 2 या 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन करने के लिए इट विल रिएक्ट फर्दर विद अनदर हाइड्रोजन एटम और ऑक्सीजन एटम टू फॉर्म ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल, राइट? जैसे हाइड्रोजन है, हाइड्रोजन के आउटर मोस्ट में होता है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट? सिमिलरली दूसरा हाइड्रोजन एटम, इसकी आउटर मोस्ट ऑर्बिट में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. सो हम क्या करेंगे, ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन आपस में शेयर करेंगे, ठीक है? आपस में इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करेंगे तो इसकी आउटर मोस्ट में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे, और इस एटम की आउटर मोस्ट में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे, इस एटम की आउटर मोस्ट में भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे. And hydrogen will exist as hydrogen molecule. Similarly, oxygen गैस के आउटर मोस्ट में होते हैं 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इसी तरह से ये क्या करेगा, ये दूसरे ऑक्सीजन एटम से रिएक्ट करेगा एंड इट विल शेयर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 2 एटम्स के बीच में शेयर हो जाएंगे. अब इसके पास भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, इसके पास भी 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, एंड इट विल फॉर्म एन ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल. सो टू अचीव 2 or 8 electrons in outermost shell, hydrogen and oxygen atom will combine with one another to form hydrogen and oxygen molecule, right? Hope this cleared your concept. And if you like my video, then you can subscribe so that you will be updated with the future videos that I'll be creating for the entire syllabus of ICSE class 10th. Thanks.